Lexus is a luxury car brand originating from Japan, which was originally a luxury version of a well-known car brand, namely Toyota. In Indonesia, Lexus cars come in various models such as sedans, SUVs and coupes. What you are now seeing is a sedan model with the type LX500H. This car was brought directly from the Lexus showroom for wet gloss coating. The owner of this car not only wants a new car, but he also wants his new car to have its paint protected and scratch resistant. Therefore, it was sent straight from the Lexus showroom to WetGloss. WetGloss is a coating that is sprayed, not smeared or stuck with a sticker. That's why it's durably definitely better than the others. WetGloss coating does not destroy the original paint on the car, but WetGloss will only erode the varnish in the car body, so that the wet gloss material can seep into the pores of the car. If you don't believe it yet, see for yourself and come to the WetGloss Workshop, so you also know how good the wet gloss coating is.
Salam besik abadi.